After my experience with the Xiaomi 13T phone, what is my opinion of it? Hello my friends, in this video I will share with you my experience with the Xiaomi 13T phone. The phone comes with a beautiful design, a very good camera, 67-watt fast charging, and strong performance at a reasonable price. I am Mohammed, and my channel specializes in technology, whether reviews, news, specifications, comparisons, prices, and other technical content. Subscribe now. First we will see what is in the phone box. A white box with the name of the phone and the Xiaomi logo on it. 3 notebooks of instructions. Tell us, do you read them? The nice thing is that there is a transparent cover in the box. And let's not forget the fast charger and USB Type-C cable. The design. The phone's design is beautiful and eye-catching, especially this color that I have, which is very beautiful. The phone comes with a glass back, and fingerprints appear slightly, but not to a large extent. The camera is clearly visible and is one prominent rectangular piece in black. The frame is made of plastic and not aluminum. This did not bother me, but if it had been aluminum, the phone would certainly have been more luxurious. On the right side there is the phone power button and the volume up and down buttons. At the bottom there is a Type-C charging port, Type 2, and there is a speaker. The screen. The phone screen is excellent, AMOLED type. Supports 68 billion colors, the screen lighting is strong, the brightness reaches 2600 nits, and this makes vision suitable when exposed to sunlight. The nice thing is that this screen is very smooth, as it comes with a refresh rate of 144 Hz, and this makes movements very smooth. Memory. The phone comes with 2 versions, both of which come with a storage memory of 256 GB. The difference is in the size of the RAM. The first version has 8 GB of RAM and the second has 12 GB of RAM. The version I have has 8 GB of RAM. The memory type is UFS 3.1, not UFS 4.0, which is faster in phone performance. The phone does not support installing an external memory card. The phone is water and dust resistant to the IP68 standard, which means it is resistant to dust and water to a depth of 1.5 meters and for 30 minutes. The system. The phone runs Android 13 with Xiaomi MIUI 14 interface. As is known for the Xiaomi interface, it is full of features. The performance. The phone comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultra processor. The performance is fast, and I did not notice a slowdown in performance, whether in browsing, watching videos, browsing social media applications, or moving between different applications. The gaming performance is fast and beautiful, and these are the settings for the game Call of Duty. It was run on the highest graphics with high frame rates. The gaming experience was smooth. Camera. The phone's camera was made in cooperation with the German company Leica, which specializes in cameras. The phone comes with a 3-lens camera. The first is a wide lens with a resolution of 50 megapixels, an aperture of f1.9, and equipped with an optical stabilizer to reduce image shake. The second is an ultra-wide lens with a resolution of 12 megapixels and an aperture of f2.2. The third is a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with an f1.9 aperture, capable of zooming in at a rate of 2x without any loss in image quality. So how are the images performing? As a phone at this price, the camera is very good. I tested it with many photos in several situations during the day and at night. Here are the pictures I took myself. The selfie camera has a resolution of 20 megapixels and an f2.2 aperture. I noticed that it was supposed to be better, compared to some other phones considered to be of lower standard. The battery. The battery has a capacity of 5000 milliampere, and from experience the phone does not drain a charge. I used it for browsing, such as watching videos on YouTube, switching between applications, browsing Instagram, and playing games, as well as with intensive use of the camera and shooting videos. And as it is known that the camera it consumes a lot of power, I did not suffer with the battery, but the situation was normal and I liked it. Fast charging capacity of 67 watts, and Xiaomi says that the phone fully charges in 42 minutes. The fingerprint is under the screen and its performance is beautiful and responsive. The phone comes with stereo speakers. The phone's sound is loud. The phone supports the latest version of Bluetooth, which is 5.4, and supports Wi-Fi 6, and does not support the wired headphone port. USB Type-C charging port, version 2. Here we see the shape of a phone with the transparent cover in the box. What are the features of the phone? It is resistant to water and dust according to the IP68 standard. The phone's performance is fast and comfortable to use. The rear camera produces high-quality images. The screen is very good with beautiful colors and comfortable for the eyes. The phone does not drain a charge, as the battery experience was comfortable and also fast. Charging with a capacity of 67 watts contributed to making the experience positive. What are the disadvantages of the phone? The phone's frame is made of plastic, not aluminum, but that did not bother me greatly. The selfie camera should have been better. Write to us what you think of the phone in the comments box. And to watch more of these videos, subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you will benefit from the content of my channel.